Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen GBP JPY for 16th March 2021. So this analysis is for 16th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis for 17th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So another beautiful trending market. Okay, and as I always say, trending market is easier to trade in comparison to other markets. So we just need to find out the area of value here. So probably already you know, if you've watched my previous videos, in an uptrend market the area of value is always near the support, and market is respecting the 50 moving average, and in this market 50 moving average is acting as the support. Okay, so probably you have already understood that this strategy is very simple. Okay, just wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average and take support. Okay, so when 50 moving average will be providing support to the market, just wait for the market to give you the confirmation. The confirmation can be in the form of candlestick pattern like a hammer like this, or a big green candle like this. Okay, and when you'll get a confirmation that yes, the 50 moving average is still a valid support for the market, then you can easily go ahead and buy. Okay, so this is the only strategy that you need to follow for GBP JPY. Okay, because trending market, easy market, so that's it. And in case you see that market does not come to the 50 moving average to take support, okay, in that case you just wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, right now stochastic RSI is trading here. Just wait for stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold level. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be in oversold level, just watch where the price is, or just watch the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is in oversold, sorry, if you see the stochastic RSI is in oversold zone, and the price is near the 50 moving average, and when stochastic RSI will be moving up again. Okay, so stochastic RSI, suppose stochastic RSI is here, and just look at the position of the price. Okay, suppose suppose it is not taking support at the moving average and it is somewhere around here. Just wait for the stochastic RSI to go up again. When it will be going up again, okay, no need to wait for the price to take support at the 50 moving average. Just buy it. Okay, so this is a trending market. So, and just be on the trade as long as the market is trading above the 50 moving average. Okay, simple. So the first strategy and the best strategy is wait for the market to take support at the 50 moving average. When it will be bouncing back after taking support, grab it. Okay, buy. And the second strategy is, if it does not come to the 50 moving average, then wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will be going up again, just look at the position of the price. If it is still trading above the 50 moving average, buy it. So simple strategy for GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for 16th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.